Thank you for tuning in to Model Car Building and Retirement. My name is Ken. In this episode, we're going to go see if we can score some model kits on sale. So let's come take a ride with me right after the intro. Okay, so we're out for a little ride on the bike and going to go to Hobby Lobby and pick out some models. Getting two of my passions conquered in the same day. Doesn't get any better than that. They got their 40% off sale at Hobby Lobby, so it's worth going down there. Be there shortly. So let's go see what they got to offer today, folks. Okay, let's see what they have to offer. Hopefully they replenish their selection. I pretty much picked through all my favorites, but there's always something to be had, especially with the 40% off sale. Know it when it catches my eye. Okay, so today, I don't know, something's speaking to me, so I have found a few kits. I've tuned in on this Revell 71 Plymouth Cuda. I have not even built a Cuda yet, so we're gonna get that. $29.99 or 30 bucks with 40% off. Can't beat that deal. Into the deposit stash. Something else got my eye. Oh yeah, this 53 Ford pickup truck just looks like I've always liked the early 50s Ford, so gonna get that. Into the deposit bin. And there was one more that caught my eye. Yeah, it's this Challenger. This is I think it's a new release. It's a AMT. It's in sort of like a metal lunchbox container. All right, so there's 3 for the deposit. I think I'm gonna just go with the 3. Gonna pick out a few more items off the paint list here, and well, I'm pretty excited with some of the finds I got today. So I really got to get the building here. I've been concentrating on doing a few how-to videos, but fall way behind. I probably got 22 kits to build, so I got to get to building. Getting a little windy out here. One thing nice about these full dressers is you can fit your model kits in them. And my side bags are empty yet too, so I could have bought more. Maybe I'll be back. Okay, back on home. So I'm kind of satisfied with my little hobby haul today. CUDA, I haven't built a CUDA yet, and when I pick out a model, they speak to me, and I immediately picture what I'm going to do with these cars, what color they're going to be, what kind of, you know, whether it's going to be a show car, whether it's going to be a beater, whether it's going to be a barn find, whatever. And when I laid eyes on this CUDA kit, I definitely picture the Moulin Rouge, or that dark pink color show car type car. So that's the way this one's going to be built out. The 1953 Ford, I think I'm going to go red, just like you see in the picture there. So I'm going to go nice bright red on that one with a nice show car finish. And then we got the 70 Challenger that came in this like lunchbox metal tin, like a cookie tin or something here. Pretty sure that I'm gonna probably do another either B5 blue, or I'm gonna go with the purple, you know, the plum crazy purple like I did on my Charger that I had back in high school. So one other thing that I did pick up at the hobby store today, I'm kind of excited about this project. Let's see if I can find it. Here it is. I picked up some water-based acrylic from Createx, red, okay, opaque red. And I have some leftover MCW bright red enamel from my duster project that I worked on. The popularity of my video about doing a show car painting, the 4-part series, a lot of people came back asking if I could do something about acrylics, because let's face it, the enamels and the lacquers really put out the fumes. And some people are living in apartments or whatnot, and they're not able to do the fumes, and they're asking me to do something on acrylics. And I have sprayed acrylics before, but when I found the MCW line of products, I just I fell in love with it, and I mastered it, and in my opinion, I don't think I can beat that for a show car finish. But I'm planning on doing an apples to apples comparison. I'll demonstrate both side by side. I'm going to mask a body right down the middle, and I picked 2 reds with no metal flake to make it as fair as possible. And we're going to do that whole series, and I'm going to give you the apples to apples difference and pros and cons. And I'm hoping to convince myself to go to the water-based side, because I do stink up my house too. Luckily my wife is putting up with me. So anyways, appreciate your watching. If you do like my content, please hit the like, subscribe, comment below. Appreciate it.